Do you ever wonder what fruits and vegetables are packed with the most nutrition? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll be showing you the ultimate guide to nutrition-packed fruits and vegetables. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the mighty avocado. This creamy fruit is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. It's great for your heart health and can even help with weight management. Next, we have the powerful kale. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's known to support bone health and boost your immune system. Moving on to broccoli, which is not only delicious but super nutritious, packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. This cruciferous veggie is known for its cancer-fighting properties. Now let's talk about berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it. These little fruits are bursting with antioxidants that can help improve your memory and support brain health. Craving something sweet? How about mangoes? Besides being incredibly tasty, they're packed with vitamin C, fiber, and have anti-inflammatory properties. Last but definitely not least, we have the humble carrot. Don't underestimate the power of this crunchy veggie. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body, promoting good vision and a healthy immune system. Remember, it's important to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet to get a wide range of nutrients. So go ahead and experiment with these nutrition-packed options in your recipes and meals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information. Stay healthy and happy, and we'll see you next time.